Who's kicking? Toby, which way? Just, yeah, make sure it's on the line, okay? And just wait for the whistle. Blake, time your run out there, please. Guys, right side, time your run, just wait for the whistle. Liam, time your run here, okay? Good, let's go. That's fine. Keep going. 10 up now! Here! Hold! Hold! Go on. Stand now, wait! To me and hold. Go. All in front. All in front. There we go, Mark's there, mate. You middle players need to get on side here. Use a line, next line. To the line. Yeah. Hold! Hold! Go. No tackle. Keep going. Liam off the ball! Here. Hold! Go one. Offload. Keep going, that's one. Jamin, stand up! 1 foot! Go two. Still going, two. 10 up now! 1 foot on the line. Hold! Go three. That's fine. 4 and 6 up! Hold the line, hold. Go 4. Last one, stand now. Go. That's fine. That's fine, Chase is good. Play on. Up now, 6. Go, 1. Stand now, 3. Here, hold. Go 2. Strong. Up now. Go 3. 6, you're offside. Good now. 13 and 3 together. Use the line. Hold. Go 4. 5th tackle now. Here. Go. Nothing late. Chase is good. All good there. Play on. Stand now. Right side here. Hold. Go 1. Blake, move. To me and hold. Go 2. 10. 10, go 10. Liam off the ball. Go 3. 10 now. Use the line. Hold here. Hold. Go 4. Last tackle up, Lachlan. Go. Keep going. Still 5. Held, held, held. Last tackle, change, give the ball over. Hand the ball back, wait. It's controlled weight. Wait, Mackay. Mackay, 12. Hold, where you go. Hold, go, no tackle. Up together. Here and hold. Go 1. 13 and 10 now. I'm here. Go 2.
Just number 8 next to get to your right. Swifty needs a step.
Stand now, 12. 8 here. Go 3. 9 off legs. Go 4. They retreated there. Chase is good.
Kick is through.
Kick is through. Stand together. Here. Hold. Hold. Go 1. First knock on. Second knock on. First knock on Mackay, loose carry into second knock on. We've got a scrum to Tweed. Boys, scrum over here, thank you. Here, they're feeding from over this side. Okay, let's get the first scrum right. Hooker, arms around. We'll have second rowers, arms around each other. So hooker, arms around, second row, arms around. Come together, lock head in. You hold Lock's feet. Two hands square to the tunnel, Toby. Feed, wait. No, because your scrum broke, okay? So that's either a differential penalty or refeed. Pack the scrum and wait. Two hands through there. Feed, out! Stand now! 1 foot, hold! Go one. Stand now, 8! Use the line, go 2. That's fine. 2. 10, release! Go 3. Down. Ball down, mate. Ball down. Happy with that? Ball was down.
Oi, come on. Better, we need to identify
that. Jamin, when you're playing the ball, okay, make sure you play it when you can. That's very close to not having balance and control. I'll police the ruck, but make sure you're making a conscious effort to stand to your feet and play properly.
They want a drink on that.
I think that might be all right. Thanks. How are you, mate?
50, yeah, mate. Want a drink?
I'll have another squirt.
How fucking hot was it yesterday? Did you work yesterday?
Yeah, I was up at Redcliffe, so yeah, she was hot. Good butt, better than being cold.
Your distance is looking good, mate.
Yep.
Just work on 8 Mackay.
Okay. Anything else?
Nah, all good. He's just pulling up a metre short.
Okay, I'll get to him now. Where is he? Number 8. 8, number 8. Make sure you're getting to me and holding. Okay, you're getting a step short. All right. Just wait. Mackay, time your run. Time your run here. No earlies. Keep going backwards.
Gone dead, mate. Gone dead.
Goal on, restart. Thanks, Jack. You drop kicking, Liam? Okay. Toby, which way? Okay. Guys, time your run, please. Just wait. On or behind. Thank you, Toby. Play on. Play on! Play on! Up now! Use the line. Hold. Go 1. 10 and 8 together. Go 2. 12 off the ball. Here. Hold. Go 3. 13 now. Here. Go 4. Last tackle now.
Rambo.
Go.
Right side, all good.
Right side is good.
Middle needs 10.
Middle needs 10. They're fine there though. He's good. Liam, stand up. Use the line, Tweed. Hold. Go 1. Off the ball, Charlie. Here. Came up with the ball, mate. Hands in there.
Keep your head locked out of the scrum.
Mark's there. Charlie, can't come up with the ball, mate. Hold here, 10. Wait for the kick, Toby, a step, thank you. Hold here. Hold, wait, wait. No tackle. That's fine. That's outside. Keep going. Isaac now! And square. Hold, first mark here offside, go 10, 1. Isaac again. Here, left side. Go 2. Keep going. Outside, that's fine, still 2. Still going. Stand now. Here. Hold. Go 3. Charlie now. Here. Go 4. Outside, that's fine. Last tackle. 1 foot. Hold. Go. Play on 0
Coming
coming.
through 0. 0 coming.
Strong. Stand now. Hold, Mackay, hold. Go 0, I got the trainer up. Yep, I got his hand up. Time out, tackle 1. Trainer's hands up. That's tackle 1, time out.
Got to play it, mate.
5.
Gotta play it.
Hold the ball because you're going to have to play it. It's time out. Thanks, Aiden. Yeah, okay. Okay. All right, yep.
It's tackle 1's Swifty.
Okay, thank you.
DJ, get tight, let's go.
All right, Z. Thanks, mate. Yeah, all good. Just wait. Pick the ball up, 5. Just wait. Okay. Tackle 1. Hold. Go. 8 now. Here. Hold. Go 2. Up together. And square. Hold. Go 3.
You could maybe take another step on that 10, Swifty.
Yep. Up again. Here. Go 4. Lost legs. 5 last. Hold. Go. Nothing late. Left side good.
Headband needs 10. Headband
1.
needs
Jordan, Jordan, Jordan.
involved.
Yeah. Inside the 10, Jordan.
Okay, get out through black.
On the line, mate.
Hold here, Tweed. Use the line. Hold. Hold. Go. No tackle. Hang on.
This is 0, mate. 0.
0. Stand now. Go 0. I'll wear that one. 9 and 10 together. Pass the line. Hold. Go 1. Outside, that's fine. That's fine. Stand now. Hold. Go 2. 9 off the ball. 1 foot. Go 3.
Go!
Short. Play the ball. Don't dive in. Go 4. Play on offload. Keep going. Lost.
Knock on, mate.
Knock on short. We've got a scrum. Sorry, mate.
It's not backing up, man.
Scrum, yeah.
All good. Let's have a clean
Scrum in here.
No penalties. Clean set here, boys.
Same as the first few, boys. Hook her arms around, second row's arms around. Stay at the locks feet there. Put your head in properly, mate. Lock head in properly. I need 2 hands square to the tunnel. 2 hands, thank you. In 6, out. Blake, stand. Here, go 1.
9 offside.
9.
Offside. Involved.
That was so late.
Liam. Need to work better there, Liam. Just have a look, mate.
Spread out.
Hold. Go. No tackle. Outside. That's fine. Stand now! And square. Hold. Don't lock him in. Hold. Go 1. Don't lock him in, mate. Come on. Lachlan, release. Here. Hold. 10. 10. Go. 2. Release. Go 3. Stand now! 1 foot, go 4. Keep going. That's fine. Still 4. Last tackle up now! 1 foot. Go. That's fine.
Good.
He's out. Let him up. Pass the line. Here. Here. Go 1.
Oh, he's
10.
offside.
10.
He's offside. 10's offside.
Keep going. 9. Release. Use the line here. Hold. Go 2. 11. Move. Here. Go 3. 11 and 9 together. Hold with me. Go 4. 5 and last. Up. Go. Right side good.
Oh, kick it's through.
20.
Oh, you've got time, mate.
Players offside. Players offside.
Oh, they're all onside now.
Okay, in the middle.
0's coming.
Stand now, Liam. Here. Hold. Go 0. Charlie now. Go 1. Charlie. Charlie. It's good now. It's 2. Try.
Good, mate.
Thanks. Thanks, man. Thanks. Yeah, I got both fronties being lazy for Mackay, so I'll work on them, so keep IDing them.
Everything's going good, mate.
Yeah.
Every now and then your 10's shortening.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so yeah, just be aware of that and then open it up a little bit when you can.
yeah.
Doing good though, mate.
Yeah, I'll work hard on that, especially rolling a bit. Got to ID that better. But yeah, keep feeding me info.
Yeah, for Tweed, it's usually the right side you're having your issues with.
Yeah.
I just, yeah, get around there.
Yeah, just watch that 10 from Mackay. He's getting a bit lazy now.
Yep.
Give us a handy 50s or something else.
Yep. Yep. Make sure we stay on side on the kick, Boston. Jack. Stay behind here. Time your run. No earlies. Hang on.
Out, mate, out.
Thanks, C. Scrum Tweed. In here. Gentlemen, in here. Make sure you're working hard on that 10, okay? All right, you're getting very close. All right, let's pack it. Okay, hook our arms around each other. Second row's arms around. Isaac, in there. Come on. Let's pack it. Just wait. Lock head in properly. Head in, arms around. Stay at locks, feet, 2 hands. Feet out. That's fine, outside. 12 up now! And square. Hold. Go 1. Still going. Held! Release! Go 2. Outside, that's fine. Up now!
Go.
Leg pull, mate.
Just chipping for the ball plant, Swifty.
11. Don't plant the ball, and you've got to play it square. Okay, play it when you can. Yeah, play it when you can. You're in line, mate, when you're ready. There we go. No tackle. Stand now! 1 foot. Go 1. Still going. Short! Release now! Play the ball. Go 2. That's fine. Outside, that's fine. Still 2. Held! Release! Go 3. That's fine. Down. No, mate.
Good here.
No. Happy? I'm happy to explain. Yep. Okay, no, I understand what you're going to say.
Yeah.
In that instance, the defender still got hold of him, okay? So if anything, it's going to be a penalty to them for interference. He's entitled to quick play the ball.
Yeah.
He was ready to play it, and he did. The defender initiated that contact, okay? That's why it looked that way. Yep.
Yeah, well, just because they've been down there a little bit and they've done it a few times.
Yeah, I've got my eye on it,
I know.
and I'm IDing it and not milking it,
Yep.
okay? But in that instance there, that was fine.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Cheers, Baz. Yes, mate. Thanks, mate. Toby, on the 10, keep working hard, mate. Okay. Yeah, you're getting a step short sometimes. Mate, you got to get to me, okay? I haven't got eyes everywhere. Mackay, time your run. Time your run, 17. Time your run in the middle. Ball first.
Go on dead, mate, go on dead.
Goal line restart. Thanks, Jack. Just conscious of this one getting caught up in the wind, boys. Same again, Toby on and behind. Boston, let's retreat past the line. Time your run out there.
You're right.
Ball first. Yep, that's fine. Keep going. Boston and Liam now! Here, Tweed. Hold. Go 1. Lost legs. Stand now. No, lost his legs. Go, 2. Stand together. And square, don't lock him in. Go, 3. Up now. 1 foot. Go, 4. That's fine. He's fine. Still going. 4. Keep going. 4. Held. Release. Go. 5. Isaac, go 10. Keep going. Chase is good. Touch backwards. Keep going. Keep going. Held. Untangle there. It's a goal line restart. Okay. Same again, Toby on or behind. Toby on or behind. Isaac, stay behind. Pardon? As long as it goes 10, it can travel backwards once it has. Yep, that's fine. Backwards, play on. Keep going. Boston and Liam together. And square, hold. Go 1. Stand together. Use the line. Go 2. Outside, that's fine. Still going. All defence. Forward. Thanks, Jack. Forward pass on the 10. Thank you. Scrum Tweed. In here. 11. Make sure you're working on the 10, please. Okay, get on side. Okay. In here. Second rows, arms around. Lock head in properly, arms around. Arms around and head in, thanks. Okay. Stay out, locks feet. 2 hands, square, Toby, thank you. Out. 13 up now. Go 1. Now! 18 too long, mate. Need a quicker response. There we go.
On the line.
18, I need that quicker, okay? Thank you. All right, hold here, hold! Go. No tackle. Up together! And square, hold! Go 1.
Can take a step on that 10,
Yep.
50.
Stand now! Here and hold. Go 2.
That's better, mate.
Yeah, that was short, that first one. That's fine. 2, 3 coming. Move! To the line! Go 3. Keep going. That's fine.
Happy, mate.
Happy. Happy. Happy, Jacko. Oh, Zach, make sure we're getting our hands away quicker, okay, down there. No, that's close to a penalty. When I say release, okay, you got to untangle. Thanks. Thanks, man.
Too easy, man. Keep going.
That set then, the 2Z just called short.
Yeah.
Your distance was fine originally. You just move it, taking that step forward a bit too early.
Yep.
So just hold until your go call.
Yeah, thanks, mate. Yeah, no, I sort of felt that when I was doing it. I jumped a bit early and dissolved it, so I'll work on that.
Yeah, your distance was fine originally. It's just that you dissolved it a little too early, mate.
100%. Yeah, no, I'll work on that. Work on that this set. Thanks, boys. Yep. Time our run here, please. Time your run, Mackay. Ball first. Play on. Play on. Strong. Stand now. Here. Hold. Go one. 18 and 9 now. Pass the line. Go. No markers. No markers. 2. Stand now. Here. Hold. Go 3. Keep going. Still 3. Keep going. Stand now. Go 4. 5 last. Now. No markers. Last. Keep going. Keep going. Still 5. That's
Okay,
fine.
left chase is good.
Chase
Kick
is good.
through.
Play on backwards.
No touch, no touch. This is 1, this is
Stand now. Here. Hold. Go 1. Thanks, Jacko. That's strong. Stand now, Boston. Hold. Go 2. Eleven and 9 now. To me. Hold. Go 3. Play on. No way. Stand now, Boston. Go 4. Inside.
4 needs 10.
Inside 4.
40-20, mate.
40-20. Controlled. It's controlled. It's a tap. 40-20. It's controlled. 9. It's a controlled restart. Just wait for the whistle. Thank you. Yeah, just here. No tackle. Stand now, Blake. Go 1. Blake again. 1 foot, Tweed. Hold. Go 2. Short. Stand now. 1 foot, don't dive in. Go 3. Up now, Boston. 1 foot. Go 4. Backwards, backwards, backwards. 4. 5 last. Use the line. Go. That's fine. Play that. Good. Grounded in goal. Goal on. Jordan. No, I saw it. We don't need the carry on. Goal line. No, mate. Yeah. It's all right. Goal line, restart. Yeah, they're catching on the outside, Liam. It's fine, mate. I'm watching it though. I'll watch it for you. Okay. On and behind, Toby. Wait. Nearly. Held! Release! Go 1. Don't walk forward. Stand now, Jack. Here. Hold. Lost control, mate.
We can afford to play the ball. Don't worry.
Scrum here. Scrums have been good, boys. So we're feeding on this side. Toby, let's come together, please. Scrums have been good. Second rows, arms around each other. Hooker arms around. Lock head in and arms around, thank you. Just stay at the lock's feet again, thanks. All right, no, wait. Come together properly, come on. All right, 2 hands feed. In, out. Up now!
Tighter, Hetty, tighter.
Go 1. Keep going. 2 in there now. 9, stand up! And square, hold! Go 2. 17 and 18 together. Hold here, hold. Go 3. Play on, knock on. This is 0 coming if we've got advantage. And we do. Move! Here! Go 1, still retreating there.
That's 0, mate.
They're
That's
good
0.
now, 0, sorry, 0. Thanks, Jack, sorry about that. Try, got grounding.
Boy, that was good. When we made on it talking up, they got knocked. That was good.
Good alertness on that, Jack. Sorry about that. That's half time.
We gotta get to the line.
Yeah, cheers, brother. There we go. Yep. Half time. Yeah, no, okay. You can't ball plant. So if you got your head through the line, you ball plant it, you lose some of your